Hello everyone, my name is Emmanuel. I will be showing you my final project for Business 356. I created a calculator that deals with the task of managing financial calculations, and I will be showing you how to use it first, and then we'll walk through the code together. So there's two ways to access this calculator, and one way is through just pressing the app, and then we'll type in 40K for the total. Let's use 10K for down payment, 10% interest, let's say 36 months. And then after this, you want to press calculate, which will give you the monthly installment. After that, you want to go back and press on difference to get the total payment with interest. Also, if you want to look at the monthly, you can press on output, and this is the payment that you would pay over that span of 36 months. And if you would want to type in different numbers and just clear the board, you would press reset, and you'd get a fresh clean slate. Okay, so now I'll show you the other way that you can use this calculator, and it's just by pressing it again, and you just press here and we get the same calculator. I'll use the same example. 10,000, 10% interest, 36 months, and then we want to press on calculate. Then we want to press on difference to get the payment with interest. And finally, we want the output just to make sure. There you go, that's the monthly payment. Okay. So now I'll walk through the code. Let's go to Visual Basic. Oh, what happened there? Okay. So this is the form I created, and essentially we've got 6 labels. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 labels, as well as 7 text boxes, which are these white little boxes right here. And then we've got 4 command buttons down here. So now let's walk through the code together, and view code. There we go. Okay, let's go all the way to the top. And so for the first command button, it does 2 things. First, when you click it, it closes the form, and then it opens up the same form, which is called user form 1. Now command button 2 is where the math happens. It takes text box 5 and text box 6, multiplies them together, and shows the result in text box 7. And now command button 3, it also uses some math, but before that it checks if there are values in text box 3, also text box 4, and text box 5. Now if they do have values, then it uses the PMT function to calculate the payment. Now command button 4, it checks if text box 5 has a number, and if it does, then it goes into a loop calculating payments and creating a message with those payments. Okay. That's weird. Oh, okay. Just gonna take this out. So I'm not sure why that's there. Okay, so now text box 1. Let's see, text box 1. Now, actually, yeah, text box 1 and text box 2, they keep track of numbers that are put in. So text box 1, it adds its value to a running total, and text box 2 subtracts from that total. So the result from text box 1 and text box 2 is given in text box 3, and now text box 6 and 7 are basically the result from the command buttons, but they are formatted so that the output can have decimals and commas. And yeah, that's my loan calculator. I hope you guys like this calculator, and yeah. All right, bye guys.